Hi, in this video tutorial, you will learn how to delete your Facebook page in 2023. Let's get started. The first step in permanently deleting your Facebook page is to log into your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, click on the profile icon in the upper right corner, then select See All Profiles. Here you will find all pages on Facebook. Select the desired page you wish to delete. After you've switched to your page, click on your page's name on the left-hand side, and then click on Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy, and then select Facebook Page Information. On the right-hand side, click on the Deactivation and Deletion option. Here, select Delete Page and click Continue. At this point, Facebook will recommend that you download your page's information. If you're not interested, click Continue, and you'll be asked to enter your Facebook password for confirmation. Enter the Facebook password and click Continue. Take a moment to review all the provided information, and finally, delete your page by clicking on Continue. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to permanently delete a Facebook page on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.